In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Kakao Talk on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so depending what device you've got, if you've got an Android or iPhone, whatever, tap on your Play Store or App Store. Then we need to go ahead and click on search. Now it says search apps, type in Kakao Talk and then hit enter. Now if we scroll down here it is here with over 100 million downloads and 3 million reviews. So click onto that, and now it will have a big blue install button. Go ahead and click on install, and what this is going to do, it will go ahead and download, then install the app onto your device. So depending how quick your internet speed, should only take a few moments. So as you can see, I've pretty much, it's download. Now it's going to go ahead and install in the background, and now give it a few moments and then tap open. Now from here, you need to either create a new account or you can sign up. So yeah, depending if you've had it before, log back in, or you can create a new account.